In this video, we will see how we can save our Excel document and share it with others. So from the File menu here, I'm going to click File, and there is an option here called Save and Send. So when I click that, I see a lot of options. The first one is I can easily send my Excel workbook in an email as an attachment, either as an Excel workbook, or if I click this, I can send it as a PDF. These two will work if you have your email program installed in your computer, such as Microsoft Outlook. You can use this option to upload this document to the cloud, for example, Microsoft SkyDrive. You can also save it to a SharePoint location if you have one connected, and you can also change the type of file that you're saving in. There are many options here, but when you open Save As, you will see a lot more options. And these are options that we have seen before, all these different file formats that you can convert your document to. You can also easily convert this document into a PDF. And when you click that, you will see the options to convert into a PDF document. And when you click Options, you can tell Excel whether you want specific pages to be converted into a PDF or not. And if you would like to share your document, Excel workbook, without giving them options to edit the document, this is one convenient way, converting into a PDF and emailing it to them, because they can just view this, for example, this table, but they won't be able to edit it.